The most crowd-funded cable in the world is now ultra-fast. Introducing InCharge X, the world's only 100 watts keyring cable. Nowadays, we own many portable devices, but they often die at the worst times, and we need a bunch of bulky cables to charge them. That's why we developed InCharge X, a tiny, universal, ultra-fast keyring cable. Why universal? InCharge X can charge Apple, micro USB, and USB-C devices from any USB or USB-C power source. Unless you are rocking a Nokia 3310, we most likely got you covered. InCharge X supports charging and data transfer. It also supports OTG, so you can use your phone as a power bank. But it doesn't stop there. InCharge X is extremely powerful. It allows ultra-fast charging up to 100 watts. Chances are your devices support fast charging, so why waste time with a slower cable? Thanks to our N52 magnet system, you can snap it on your keys, on your backpack, or wherever you prefer. You'll never find yourself without the right cable again. InCharge X is also available in a 5 feet long version. This is the tangle of cables we usually need. InCharge X Max replaces all of them. It supports 100 watts charging too, so you'll only need one cable to charge your laptop, your phone, and all of your devices. It's the ultimate home, car, office, and travel cable. Designed to last forever, InCharge X is made of an aluminum alloy with military-grade aramid fiber and 200 braided copper wires reinforced with TPU and double-weaving nylon fiber. For an even increased durability, InCharge X has a protective cap. We are already manufacturing, so you don't have to worry about those long crowdfunding waits. We are Rolling Square. During our last 7 campaigns, we delivered hundreds of thousands of products to our community of tech minimalists. And the feedback has been amazing. Back us today to get your InCharge X before anyone else, and at the lowest price it will ever be. After testing countless power banks, we decided we had enough. So we set out to design a power bank that doesn't suck. Tau is a patented ultra-compact power bank, the size of a key fob. You can easily snap it on your keys, so it's always with you when you need it. Integrated connectors make Tau universally compatible, charging USB-C and both Apple and micro USB devices, thanks to our dual connector. With Tau, you can charge virtually every portable device. Thanks to a unique dock, you can be sure that Tau will always have juice when you need it. You can stick it on a wall or on your desk, so when you get back home, all you have to do is set down your keys, and Tau will start charging. You will always have a fully charged power bank with you, without even having to think about it. Tau is already manufacturing, so you won't have to wait for ages to receive it. We are Rolling Square, a team of designers and engineers based in Switzerland. During the past 5 years, we have successfully delivered 5 campaigns to hundreds of thousands of backers. Back us today and get Tau at the lowest price it will ever be.
Like we do it. 'Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we It's that Teen Peter